Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing how you can transfer Shopify balance to your bank account. Now if you have like Pay on your bank account or your local bank account, if you live in the United States and you want to transfer your Shopify balance to the bank account, then this video is for you. This is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to just open the dashboard, just open the dashboard of your Shopify store, and then you want to click here where it says finances. As you can see here, guys, finance. Now after you click on finance, guys, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on balance. Okay, now after, guys, you click on balance, what you guys need to do next is first you need to, I'm going to tell you exactly, guys, what to do. Now after you click, guys, on balance, you want to click on move money in the top right. Okay, now after, guys, you click on move money, you want to click on transfer funds from balance. Okay, after you click, guys, on transfer funds from balance, then you need to add your routing number and the account number of your bank account. Okay, and the name, of course. After you do that, you just need to add, like I said, the bank account, and that's it. Like the account is owner name and account number, routing number. That's it, and then click on add account. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can transfer money from how to transfer Shopify balance to your bank account. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.